Is your Ready to Plan section starting to fill up with red tasks? Let's fix that. Many of these tasks may already be finished. They just haven't been marked as complete. When you've finished working on a task, just double-click the due date to mark it as complete. The task disappears from your active workload, making it easier to focus on what still needs your attention. And don't worry if your Ready to Plan section is full of late tasks. It happens. Use Edit in the Ready to Plan section to select multiple tasks and complete them all at once. Now take another look. Maybe there's a paper due next week, an exam you need to start studying for, or an oral presentation that's coming up sooner than you thought. By marking tasks as complete every day, you make room for the work that matters next. The goal isn't to keep a record of every task you've ever done. It's to clearly see what's coming up. That's how your planner stays useful. One task at a time.